Tech Guy Hinges here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to manually set your time zone in Notion. So let's get started. So you need to open up your Notion account. Then you're going to click on the top left-hand corner, the drop-down menu. Then you're going to click on settings. You'll be taken right away to the preferences page, which is where you can edit your time zone. So if you scroll down a bit, it says set time zone automatically using your location. So this will be on automatically. But if you want to change your time zone, all you need to do is click that off. Then you can click on the drop down button and you can choose any time zone. So you can set it to whatever you want. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. I will see you soon.